Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing a review on this gorgeous wig that I have on right here, right now. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Ashimary or Ashimary. So this is what their packaging looks like. It included the wig and then a bunch of goodies. I was most excited about the edge brush though because I needed another one. But look, they also have like a thing where they'll give you cash back if you post like TikToks or anything like that. I was very curious about what was going to be in this heart-shaped package, but it was a necklace. So now let's move on to the wig. They sent me over their 26-inch 13x6 frontal wig. This is in the deep wave texture. The frontal was frontaling, the lace was lacing. It has the typical construction, combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps. It does not have an elastic band, and I take slight issue with that, but we'll talk more about that later. One last look at the wig before I co-wash and let it air dry. Okay, so here is the wig after it has been co-washed and air dried. Now you know I stand a long curly / wavy wig. Don't play. So here she is. This wig is very long. I gotta double check what length this is. It may be 26 inches. It is very long. It's giving very long. I gotta double check though, but either way, she's gorgeous. So now let's try her on and see how she's looking. The thing that I do not like about this wig though is it does not have an elastic band. And I just feel like in 2023, there should be no wigs constructed without an elastic band. However, there was a time where I had a wig and it didn't have an elastic band. And I was kind of like, oh my gosh, like why not, da, 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 da. And then I tried it on and it was like, oh, it's fine. So hopefully this is the same way, but either way, I still stand on no wig in 2023 should be made without an elastic band. At this point, it should just be part of the criteria. This has so much playground for you if you like frontals. Like, look at all the possibilities. This has endless possibilities for you if you love frontals. Okay, let's see if she'll, like I thought, it needs to be adjusted, but look at how cute already. I didn't even, you know, I gotta straighten that part out. There's nothing in the part or anything, and it looks very natural and very nice in terms of the color, I mean. So it's definitely fitting much better. However, the lace is not laying flat, and I feel like that's what an elastic band does. Because it is like here, it will make the wig lay nice and flat, so it'll be glueless and you don't have to do anything to tack it down. With this, it's seeming like I may have to put some got-to-be spray or something on it just to make sure that the lace will lay flat, because you know how I wear my wigs behind my hairline, so I need this to like lay flat at the start of my hairline. But anyways, we are going to get into styling.
Bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me.
Okay, so first of all, gorgeous. Love this. I knew I was gonna love this, and that's why I chose it, because these are my favorite types of wigs. Like, I love a curly wig, a kinky curly wig, an afro kinky curly wig, something with some texture. And then I love, like, for this type of curl pattern, for the wigs to be like nice and long. It just really gives everything to me. So I'm in love with this wig. I knew I was going to be. I love the texture. It's very soft. It's very luscious. The curls look beautiful. This is a frontal wig, so if you like frontal wigs, this is the wig for you. It is literally mostly
frontal. Like, this wig has a lot of frontal space for you to do with whatever you choose. As for me, I'm a middle part girl. Like, you know, I told you already, I don't really need a crap ton of lace and parting space. I don't really need that because usually when I'm wearing a wig, I'm doing a middle part or a side part. So here's what I settled on today, a middle part, but not everybody is like me. And so I want to be able to show you different types of wigs and what they look like, and then you can do with them what you choose. But for me, I chose a middle part, obviously, because middle parts are my thing. So the elastic band. This wig needs an elastic band. Now, I was able to get the wig to lay nice and flat without having to put any like got to be gel or spray or anything on it to make sure it will stay flat. And that's because I tucked the sides of the wig, so like the lace, the ear tabs of the lace are kind of tucked under, which made it pull a little bit tighter, so the part was able to lay nice and flat. Now, if you are going to do like a install where you're gonna glue the wig down, or you're gonna use some got to be or something like that, then this really is not that important, because you'll be gluing the wig down anyway. But if you want to wear it glueless, like, you kind of need an elastic band. This wig does have a little bit of weight to it. It's not like super heavy or anything, but it just kind of has a little bit of healthy weight to it. It is a long wig and it's curly, so I understand, but I just wanted to mention that. So yes, this is a very gorgeous wig, but please, next time, make sure you put an elastic band in every wig that you construct. It's very important. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Once again, thanks so much to Ashimary or Ashimary for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in this wig or any of their wigs, I will have all of the links to the wig and company in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.